Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I'll be reviewing Wishcare's Triple Bond Repair Shampoo and their Triple Bond Repair Booster Serum. This is actually a hair mask. By serum, we understand that we're gonna use this post shampoo and conditioning as leave-on treatment, something like that, but this is not that. This is one hair mask meets conditioner. If you use this, then you don't have to use any hair conditioner or hair mask. So the brand has sent me these things through the PR, but this is unsponsored review and I really like these things. The shampoo has very gentle formulation and it makes my hair soft. It actually has 5% amino peptide repair complex and it also has amodimetacone, so I have high porosity hair and silicone works really well for my hair. So I think while washing my hair, it's also making my hair smoother. And I have tried their rice water shampoo, but if you have to pick between rice water shampoo and this, I'm gonna pick this one because I think this is more effective. If you have like dry frizzy hair, if you have damaged hair, I think this is gonna work for you. And there are shampoos that are nourishing, but you don't feel that they are like cleaning your scalp properly, and that can result into many hair issues because a shampoo's main job is to clean your hair and scalp. If it doesn't do that, then you may have hair fall and more issues, scalp irritation, but it cleanses my hair and scalp properly. I'm happy for that. The brand claims that it works on 3 types of hair bonds. It helps to repair 3 types of hair bonds. The peptide formulation, the ceramide, it works for dryness, it repairs the damaged hair. From my experience, I can tell you it definitely makes my hair softer. But yeah, it has fragrance and the fragrance to me seemed a bit much, but it goes in some time, this is a wash off formulation, so it doesn't linger for a long time and it has gentle surfactants. It doesn't have any sulfates, though sulfates are not an issue if it is formulated properly, but there are many people who prefer sulfate free shampoo. For that, it can be a good option. And yeah, I think this is a good affordable shampoo for dry frizzy hair. I also tried minimalist, this malic acid bond repair shampoo. This one is bond repairing. The minimalist one is also bond repairing, and for this I found this to be more effective in cleansing in comparison to minimalist. And the next thing I have is their Wishcare Triple Bond Repair Booster Serum. This is like a conditioner meets mask. It's a hair treatment. You're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and you're gonna rinse it off. It has 10% amino peptide repair complex. It has hydrolyzed keratin, sea kale, and it actually makes my hair really soft. I have this frizzy hair, my hair feels dry, and if you see my past few videos, I think you would notice my hair is looking a bit different than usual. It's looking more shiny because I have been testing out these things. So let me know if you could see any difference in my hair quality. So I have used these products and this is my 3rd day here. And I think my hair looks pretty nice and it can work for all hair types. If you have damaged hair, if you have dry hair, if you have frizzy hair, but do not apply this on your scalp. Just apply this on your hair length. Like I told you, it has peptide complex, then it has ceramide, panthenol, vitamin E, and it also has few emollients to nourish your hair. I don't see much occlusive in the formulation, so if you need more help with the frizz, then you can go in with a silicone based serum after using these treatments. And yeah, this is not very heavy. There are hair treatments that feel heavy, that weighs my hair down. It doesn't do that, which I really like, because there are times I've used good hair treatments which I really liked, but in like one day my hair felt oily. But with this one, in even 3 days, see, my hair doesn't feel way down, like it doesn't feel flat, which I really like about this formulation. And first of all, my hair was not too damaged. to be very honest. I don't have colored hair, but my hair sometimes feels really dry, unhealthy. It's very difficult to manage. So what I can tell from my experience that it controls frizz to some extent, but I prefer to use one silicone based serum. Even when I'm using these treatments, my hair just looks better if I use that. And yeah, overall a good hair bond repair treatment. And let me tell you, I have used Olaplex, this hair treatment that is around 3,000 rupees. But if you have to pick one between this and that Olaplex one, then I'm gonna pick this. As post shampoo treatment, I'm gonna pick this one. But the Olaplex, this pre-shampoo treatment is very good. Then number 3 and number 0, those are very awesome. But I prefer this one over their number 8. Yeah, this moisture mask. I love the fact that they kept it quite affordable, and I'm happy that now Indian brands are coming up with many bond repair products. Minimalist, they have one now. Wishcare have come up with this, and these are pretty good. If you have damaged hair, if you have frizzy hair, if you have dry hair, you can try this. And if you have even colored hair, if you think your hair is not feeling great, then even you can try these things. In this review, I mostly spoke about my experience, and if you want more detailed ingredient analysis, let me know. I'm gonna do that on my Instagram. Also, I'm gonna review numbers on my Instagram. I told you I'm gonna give more detailed ingredients analysis. I didn't do that. Sorry for that. Those things are coming. And for me, I do recommend this. These are nice hair care stuff. I mean, really nice. I have tried many Indian hair care brands for hair care. These are one of the best formulations I ever tried. Even this performed well. The Minimalist, the Wishcare, they are doing really good job in hair care stuff. Also, I heard Deconstruct, they have come up with their hair care things. I have not tried those yet. Have you tried anything from Deconstruct? Let me know if you have any recommendations, anything you want me to try from them. Also, if you tried these things from Wishcare, let me know your experience. And I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.